Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma HbA1c Neo Test Kit. This is used in the fluorescent immunoassay instrument. You can see this here. It says ichroma HbA1c Neo. I'll just read it for you. Ichroma HbA1c Neo is a fluorescence immunoassay for the quantitative determination of HbA1c in human whole blood. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of the long-term glycemic status in patients with diabetes mellitus. Yeah, this is it. You can see this is an IVD-C certified product. You can see the box contains 25 cartridges, 25 detector tubes, 2 detector diluent, 1 ID chip and 1 instruction for use. It's made in Korea. You can see the standard expiry period here. The reference part number is here. You can see it's 25 test kits. This can be kept in the room temperature. You can see the temperature conditions for this. From the earlier HbA1c, this is an updated version of HbA1c that can be used in ichroma machine. I can show you around the box. Okay, here you go. This is how the box looks like. Okay, let me unbox this for you. Inside the box you can see there is one instruction for use, an IFU brochure that gives you can see that it says ichroma HbA1c Neo. You can see that this contains a complete instruction manual that gives how to conduct the test, how to interpret the results, and you have a complete instruction, the sample collection methods. You have the complete details about the test. So I'm just you can see this here. This is you can see the brochure here. So I'm just keeping it here. Okay, you got that brochure. Then inside you can see one ID chip. You can see one ID chip that has a lot number reference. It says HbA1c Neo, and further inside there is a detector tube. You can see there is a detector tube pack which is 25 pieces in this pack. Ichroma HbA1c Neo detector tube. You can see there is a 25 pieces pack. I'm just keeping it here. This is how it looks like. Inside you can see there is a diluent solution. You can see it says HbA1c. Here it is 2 bottles. I'm just keeping inside the cover. It says ichroma HbA1c Neo detector diluent. You can see this here. Okay, I'm putting it here. This is how it looks like. Other side. You can see this here. And further, if you go inside, you can see the 25 cartridges here. Test cartridges. I'll just pick 2 from this and keep it here. Okay. Okay. I'll just rearrange this. Okay, you can see this is the test cartridges. You can see HbA1c Neo and expiry period is even here. The C mark is here, and the back side is like this. Yeah, certification body. Okay, this is how it is actually. Yeah. Just quickly to summarize here, this is the unboxing of Boditech ichroma HbA1c Neo Test Kit. If you look at in this 25 test kit pack, you have 25 cartridges and one IFU brochure and one ID chip, and you have a detector tube 25 pieces and 2 diluent buffer bottle. This is how the total kit looks like. Thank you.